Welcome to our tutorial on the Linear Pattern tool. Right now we're at the assembly level. I'm going to Assembly Features, Insert Linear Pattern. First, let's enable the Features to Pattern selection box. We're going to select the hole we created in a previous tutorial. This hole, as you remember, is an assembly feature. I'm going to select this edge for direction 1. Under spacing, let's enter 3.1 inches. Tab. The number of instances, 3. Under direction 2, let's select this edge. Spacing, 3.2 inches. Tab. Number of instances, 2. Under direction 2, we have the Pattern Seed Only option. What this option does is pattern only the original feature. Let's uncheck it for now. Down below, we've got a control area for instances to skip. For example, I can skip one of the instances, and it'll be populated in the selection box. Let's right-click and clear the selection box for now. Under Options, we can check Propagate Visual Properties. In the case of our model, it's not terribly important to propagate the visual properties, but what this option does is propagate the color, texture, and other visual properties. And we're ready to click OK. And let's have a look at our pattern. And this concludes our tutorial on the linear pattern.